In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transition to your Google Slides presentation. If you've ever given a presentation, you know how important it is to keep your audience engaged, and adding transitions can definitely help achieve that smoothly. So let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your presentation by adding some visual flair. First, we need to open the Google Slides presentation that you want to modify. If it's already saved in your Google Drive, go ahead and locate it there. Once opened, you'll see all your slides on the left-hand side. These thumbnails give you a mini preview of each slide, making it easy to navigate through your presentation. Next, select the slide to which you'd like to add a transition. Simply click on the thumbnail of the slide in the left-hand pane, and it should become highlighted, indicating that it's selected. This step is important, as adding a transition will only affect the selected slide unless you decide to apply it to all slides later on. Now let's access the transition menu. Google Slides offers several ways to do this, so you can choose whichever method works best for you. One way is to go to the top menu and click on Slide, then select Transition from the drop-down. Alternatively, you could right-click on the slide you've selected in the left-hand pane and choose Transition from the context menu. There's also a button called Transition in the toolbar above your slides, if it's available on your version of Google Slides. Each of these options will open the motion pane on the right side of the screen. Once the motion pane is open, you'll find a variety of transition effects to choose from, such as fade, slide from the right, and many others. To view these options, click on the drop-down menu and scroll through the list. Pick a transition that fits the mood and style of your presentation. For instance, a simple fade can provide a smooth shift, while others like slide from the right might add a more dynamic feel. If you'd like to customize your transition further, you can adjust the speed in the motion pane. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you'd like your slides to shift at a slower or faster pace than the default setting. Simply use the speed controls to set the timing that matches the flow of your presentation. Finally, it's a good idea to preview the transition to make sure it's just right. Click on the play button within the motion pane to see your slide change with the selected transition effect. If you're satisfied with how it looks and flows and want to maintain consistency throughout your presentation, there's also an Apply to All Slides button you can click to extend this transition to every slide. And there you have it. You've successfully added a transition to your Google Slides presentation. This small modification can make a big difference in how your audience experiences your content.